Okay, so now this is page 389, and it says to fill in less than, greater than, or equal to make a true statement. I have -0.51, and I have the fraction here. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make this a decimal so we can make the comparisons. This was the assignment the other day in renaming it into a decimal version. And if I do this on paper, -8, pen doesn't want to write, over 15. Okay, so I need to change this to a decimal, and the first thing I'm going to say is cowboy horse, who goes in. Some of you guys want to put that bottom number right inside. That's not the case. This is a cowboy. Make sure if you need to draw the hat, there's the hat. It's the 8. Here's the 15. I'm going to plant a decimal. I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to annex a 0. It's a negative. Some of you guys forgot to put the negative as part of your answer, so I marked that wrong the other day. And I'm at, how many times will 15 go into 8? That's 0. And I'll subtract, and I'll bring down the 80. How many times will 15 go into 80? 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 5 is 75. 15 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Ooh, that's going to be too much. Let me show you why. I scratched off the 6. I said 30. There's my 90, but I need an 80. So I'm going to go ahead and make this a 5. Alright. 5 times 5 is 75. Put down my 5. Carry my 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. And I'm going to annex a 0. Okay, how many times will 15 go into 50? 15 times 4 is 60. So I'm going to use a 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Put down the 5, carry the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. There's the 5 again. It says, though, in the booklet to go ahead, and they gave you a bar notation. Okay, the 5 is repeating, so I'm going to put my bar over the 3 only. A lot of you guys got bar happy and wanted to put bars over all the numbers on all the answers, and that wasn't right either. Only put the bar on the number that's repeated. If I had to do it again, just to show you what I mean by repeated. See how a 3 is going to show up again? The first number, not the second number for the bar, the first number. Okay? So now it is 0.51 versus, and we know that -8 over 15 is now -0.53 bar. Who is bigger? Again, because -51, decimal -51 is closer to 0 than -0.53. I'm going to go ahead and choose greater than. There it is on my paper, on my book. There it is on my book.